how to connect digital marketing and coding skills. In today's digital landscape, combining digital marketing with coding skills can significantly enhance your career prospects. Let's explore how these two fields can work together to create powerful marketing strategies. Digital marketing leverages tools like social media, email, or search engines to promote products and services. Understanding coding can give you a competitive edge by enabling you to create custom solutions, optimize campaigns, and quickly adapt to changes in technology. Coding allows you to automate repetitive tasks, such as posting content or generating reports, making your marketing processes more efficient. By writing scripts in languages like Python or JavaScript, you can save time and focus on strategy rather than manual calculations. A marketer with coding skills can also leverage data more effectively. By understanding programming languages like SQL, you can dive deep into analytics and data analysis, extracting valuable insights and identifying trends that can inform your marketing strategies. Another area where coding skills shine is in website optimization. Knowing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript allows you to make on the fly adjustments to your website's design and functionality, improving user experience and potentially boosting conversion rates. For those considering creating custom marketing tools or tweaking existing platforms, coding knowledge is essential. It enables you to build personalized solutions that tailor to specific business needs, giving you and your company an edge over competitors relying solely on out of the box software. Additionally, coding skills enable you to better communicate with developers and IT teams, facilitating more efficient collaboration on projects that require technical and marketing expertise. Ultimately, fusing digital marketing with coding can lead to innovative campaigns and a more comprehensive understanding of technology's role in business success.